Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 5858, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 5858? What's the symbolism of 5858? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 5858 mean for love? What does 5858 mean for twin flames? What does 5858 for manifestation? How does angel number 5858 affect finances? What does 5858 mean for former relationships? How does 5858 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 5858? What are the weaknesses of angel number 5858? What's the meaning of angel number 5858? Angel number 5858 is a message of powerful transformation, material abundance, and life balance. The number 5 represents major change and freedom, while 8 relates to success, karma, and financial gain. When repeated, these numbers emphasize cycles of personal growth and material improvement. The appearance of 5858 suggests that your life is being realigned for long-term stability and abundance. The angels encourage you to embrace change with courage while staying focused on your goals. You are being supported in releasing what no longer serves you and moving toward a future that's both spiritually fulfilling and materially rewarding. What's the symbolism of angel number 5858? Symbolically, 5858 blends themes of renewal, empowerment, and the balancing of spiritual and material pursuit. The alternating pattern of 5 and 8 reflects the dynamic dance between transformation, 5, and mastery over the physical world, 8. This number signals that by embracing life's changes and trusting your personal power, you can achieve real success. It may also symbolize a karmic turning point. What you've invested emotionally, spiritually, or materially is coming back to you. The angels remind you that strength, adaptability, and practical wisdom are key to navigating the shifts ahead and manifesting a more prosperous and purpose-driven life. What is the angel number 5858 spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 5858 encourages integration between the physical and spiritual realms. It invites you to recognize that your material pursuits can be deeply spiritual when aligned with purpose and integrity. The number 5 pushes for personal growth, while 8 reinforces the importance of using power responsibly. Together, they ask you to trust the divine process and honor the lessons behind each challenge or success. This number may signal a time to ground your spiritual wisdom into daily life, using intuition to make wise, impactful decisions. You are being called to evolve spiritually while remaining empowered in the physical world. What does the angel number 5858 mean for love? In love, angel number 5858 points to necessary transformations that lead to more grounded and fulfilling partnership. If you're in a relationship, this number suggests evaluating the balance of power, support, and shared growth between you and your partner. It may call for honest conversations, adjustments, or even endings that make space for something healthier. If you're single, 5858 encourages healing from past patterns and being open to a relationship rooted in mutual empowerment. Love should elevate you, not restrict you. This number highlights emotional maturity, shared ambitions, and spiritual compatibility as the cornerstones of lasting romantic connection. What does angel number 5858 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 5858 represents an important phase of realignment and growth. Both individuals may be undergoing intense personal transformations that are necessary for the union to deepen. The number signals karmic clearing. Old wounds, ego clashes, or imbalances may be surfacing to be healed. The 5 suggest change and emotional release, while the 8s highlight the importance of stability and mutual purpose. Reunion or harmony is possible, but only through inner work, forgiveness, and clarity of intention. This number reminds twin flames to stay spiritually aware, embrace growth, and honor the soul contract that binds them to higher love. What does angel number 5858 for manifestation? Angel number 5858 is a strong signal that your manifestation power is peaking. The universe is encouraging you to clearly visualize what you desire and to release fear or doubt. The energy of 5 invites change and adventure, while 8 reinforces material success and manifestation of abundance. When you align your goals with your highest truth and be intentional and grounded, don't just wish, act. Stay focused, consistent, and open to shifts that align you better with your desires. Manifestation under 5858 is about creating tangible outcomes through spiritual alignment and discipline. How does angel number 5858 affect finances? Financially, 5858 is a very positive sign. It suggests new opportunities for prosperity, improved money habits, or even a breakthrough in your career or business. The combination of 5 and 8 means financial change is on the horizon, likely in the form of growth, promotion, or fresh income streams. However, it also reminds you to be wise with your resources. Past financial decisions, good or bad, may now show result. It's a call to practice balance between enjoying wealth and building lasting security. The angels are guiding you toward abundance, but ask that you remain disciplined and mindful in handling it. What does angel number 5858 mean for former relationships? Angel number 5858 encourages you to find peace and closure from past relationships by focusing on the lessons they brought you. This number often arises when you're being asked to break free from lingering emotional attachments or unresolved patterns. Whether it was a painful breakup or an amicable separation, the experience helped shape who you are. The angels urge you not to dwell in regret, but to use those lessons to build better, stronger connections moving forward. Releasing the past with forgiveness, both toward others and yourself, is essential for your continued growth and for welcoming new love aligned with your values. How does angel number 5858 guide your work life? Angel number 5858 is a powerful sign of career transition or advancement. It may indicate new job opportunities, a career shift, or a call to align your work with your soul's purpose. The number encourages you to embrace change while staying grounded in long-term goals. This is a time to leverage your talents, take calculated risks, and step into leadership roles. You may also be guided toward work that blends practicality with spiritual or humanitarian values. Your efforts will be rewarded if you stay focused, adaptable, and aligned with your higher calling. Trust that change is bringing greater success. What are the strengths of angel number 5858? The strengths of angel number 5858 include resilience, adaptability, ambition, and spiritual wisdom. People influenced by this number are capable of navigating major life transitions while maintaining a strong sense of purpose. They are action-oriented, goal-driven, and naturally intuitive, with a gift for turning challenges into opportunities. The energy of 5858 supports self-empowerment, problem-solving, and the ability to inspire others. These individuals thrive in environments where they can grow and lead. Their strength lies in balancing their desire for freedom with a commitment to building stability and success in all areas of life, from relationships to career to spiritual development. What are the weaknesses of angel number 5858? While powerful, 5858 can also bring challenges such as restlessness, impulsive decisions, or over-focus on material success. The constant need for change, 5, may cause instability if not grounded by discipline. The ambition driven by 8 can sometimes lead to burnout or workaholism. Those influenced by 5858 may also struggle with control issues or find it hard to release past mistakes. Emotional detachment and difficulty with long-term planning are other potential weaknesses. The angels caution against chasing short-term gains at the expense of spiritual or emotional fulfillment. Mindfulness, balance, and self-awareness are crucial to avoid these pitfalls.